Hey everybody, I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm working in my backyard. It's a beautiful, cool 58 degrees here in California, and I have a lot of work to do. I've been putting it off. So I have some daylilies that I need to divide right here and some plants that I need to move around and cut back. So stay tuned. I am going to start by just digging around the sides of as far as I can go. Hopefully the ground is soft. But this daylily I purchased online, and its name is Mountain Lifestyle. And so what I'm going to do is just dig all around it, loosen up the soil, try to pull it up, and then just gently maneuver or just kind of wiggle the plants around so that I can divide them. I really don't want it to be too big, so that's why I'm dividing it, because this one I've only had in the ground like a year and it's grown like crazy. Oh good, the ground is nice. Gosh, I don't know if you can hear that, but my husband's over there choking to death. You okay over there? Oh, gross. Rubbing around the soil, around the roots, so that I don't disturb them too much. They've already been disturbed enough. Okay, I have a few tools. Let's see if they work. So I'm just trying to get some of the soil out of there so that I can better and try not to damage the roots so much. This is pretty much clay, so it doesn't come out so easily. So there it is. I planted it. I cut the other ones back also. And I'm going to tell you, it was a bitch pulling those things apart. I worked up a sweat, but you know, it's going to be totally worth it. Now I have 2 more plants that I can plant somewhere else. Until I can find a place for these little guys, I am going to put them in containers. Job done. On to the next. Hey everybody, I'm back, and I know you're very disappointed that you didn't get to watch me clean up my yard, but I just went through and just cut down all of the old bulb leaves that were brown, and took out some plants that I didn't like anymore. I have a bunch of piles that I need to clean up. I have 3 big piles, and gave me the opportunity to kind of think what I wanted to do with this yard next year. I may take out these lovely plants. I just don't like them. They just don't look good. But anyway, so it looks better to me. I did take out the zinnias. They were just getting lanky, and they weren't very pretty. And I cleaned up the back of the bench. I remember I had all that liatris that was back there. But I wanted to show you something that is pretty cool that I didn't know could happen, but apparently it does. So I have this strawberry plant that usually lives on this bench, and we just kind of pick on it all summer long and eat the strawberries. And I just noticed, I went to pull it up and put it back on the bench, and I just noticed that, look, I have plants that set itself into the ground. So there's 2 there, there's 2 here, another one over here. So I have about 6 plants that just set itself into the ground. I didn't know that could happen. Anyway, it's pretty cool. I think I'll just leave them there. All right, everyone, I'm going to take off. I'm going to clean up my mess, and I'm going to go in and have lunch. So thank you so much for watching, and have a great week.